Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet baby shoes designs model. Let's start. Crochet baby shoes are a small handcrafted footwear made using crochet techniques and soft yarn. They are designed for infants and toddlers, offering a cozy, lightweight, and stylish alternative to traditional baby shoes. These shoes come in various designs such as boots, sandals, sneakers, or moccasins, and are often made with cotton or wool yarn for comfort and warmth. Many people crochet baby shoes as gifts for newborns or personal use, or even to sell. They can be customized with different colors, patterns, buttons, or embellishments to match baby outfits. Crocheting baby shoes can be a fun and rewarding project. Here are some tips to help you create beautiful and well-fitting crochet baby shoes. First, choose the right yarn. Use soft, baby-friendly yarn like cotton or acrylic to ensure comfort. Avoid raw or stretchy yarns that might irritate a baby's delicate skin. Worsted or thick double knitting yarn is commonly used for baby shoes. Pick the right hook size. The hook size should match the yarn weight to create a frame structured shoe. A smaller hook helps make tight stitches, preventing the shoes from being too loose. Use a stiff sole. If you want more durability, use 2 layers of crochet for the sole or insert felt or foam inside. Tight stitches such as single crochet help keep the sole firm. Pay attention to sizing. Baby feet grow fast, so check a size chart before starting. Common baby shoe sizes: newborn 3.5 inches, 0 to 3 months 3.75 inches, 3 to 6 months 4 inches, and 6 to 12 months 4.5 inches. Work in the round carefully. Many baby shoe patterns start an oval base and continue in the round. Use stitch markers to keep track of rounds and ensure symmetry. Add secure fastening. If adding buttons, straps, or embellishments, ensure they are securely sewn to avoid choking hazards. Plastic bands and ties can help keep the shoes snug on tiny feet. Experiment with patterns and colors. Try different stitches like bubble stitch, puff stitch, or ribbing for texture. Mix colors or add appliques, bows, flowers, animal faces for a cute touch. Keep stitches tight and even. Loose stitches can make the shoe too floppy and lose their shape. Use a smaller hook size than usual to create a frame fabric. Check your tension. Consistent tension makes the shoes look more professional. Use a magic ring for a neat start. If your pattern starts with a circular base, use the magic ring technique to avoid holes in the center. Reinforce high wire areas. The toe and heel areas are out of the fastest. Consider doubling crocheting these sections or using a slightly tighter stitch. You can also add a second layer for the sole to make it sturdier. Make both shoes at the same time to avoid disparity in size. Crochet both shoes at the same time, switching back the foot between them after each step. Test fit as you go. If possible, try the shoe on the baby's foot before finishing to ensure a good fit. If making them as a gift, follow standard baby shoe size charts. Block the shoes for a polished look. Void the finished shoes slightly and shape them with your hands or by stuffing them with tissue paper. Let them try to hold their shape better. Avoid seams on the inside. Babies have very sensitive feet, so make sure there are no uncomfortable seams inside the shoe. Use invisible joints or seamless crochet techniques. Secure the ends well, weaving the yarn ends securely to prevent them from unraveling over time. Avoid knots that might come undone. Instead, weave the ends back and forth a few times. Choose baby-safe materials. Use non-toxic, washable yarn since babies often put things in their mouths. Avoid small beads or buttons unless securely fastened. Use stitch markers for precision. Mark the beginning of each round to avoid miscounting stitches. This is especially helpful for oval-shaped soles, where ingredients need to be evenly shaped. Experiment with different stitches for texture. Try ribbed stitches for a sock-like stretch. Use the puff stitch or shell stitch for a decorative look. Use a combine of yarn types for strength and comfort. A cotton blend is breathable and soft, while acrylic adds stability. You can use a slightly thicker yarn for the sole and a softer yarn for the upper part. Try a slip-resistant sole. Babies can be bulky, so adding grip to the bottom of the shoes is helpful. Use fabric paint, hot glue dots, or sew on leather felt soles to add traction. Keep notes for each pair if you are making shoes as gifts or to sell. Jot down any modifications you make. This helps you recreate successful designs easily. Use invisible joints for a clean finish instead of slip stitching to join rounds. Use an invisible joint to avoid a noticeable shim. This makes the shoes look more polished and professional. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!